Hi everybody, my name's Mark. Boy, we are excited at Gatorland here today because we just opened our brand new white alligator swamp. Oh, it's awesome. We've got two big male leucistic alligators, beautiful white with beautiful blue eyes. And we've got an albino alligator pearl, all of them with some females. Together it sets up the world's largest breeding group of white alligators anywhere in the world. Come see this. It's an awesome exhibit. We'd love to have you.